Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today we will make a delicious appetizer chicken 65. It's easy recipe and doesn't take long time to cook. Hope you will like this recipe. So let's start. First we have to marinate the chicken pieces. Here I have taken 2 pieces of chicken breast and I cut them into very small pieces, as you can see. Very small pieces. Little bit salt, not too much, because we will use salt and sauce later when we will make the sauce. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 egg and corn flour, 2 tablespoon corn flour. Now coat them very well. You can use Ajinomoto, but I don't prefer because Ajinomoto is not good for heart. Here I have taken chicken breast, but you can take chicken thigh also. Now rest them for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's check the other ingredients. For 2 pieces of chicken breast, we need half tablespoon ginger, chopped ginger, half tablespoon chopped garlic, 3 to 4 slitted green chilies, and little bit fresh lime, some curry leaves, little bit chopped coriander leaves for garnishing, but it's optional. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, half tablespoon cumin powder, half tablespoon coriander powder, half tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon salt because we already marinated the chicken with salt, 1 tablespoon chili garlic sauce, half tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon red food color, but food color is optional. I don't use so much food color. If you like restaurant style chicken 65, then you have to use the food color. It's been 10 minutes, so let's fry the chicken. Here I have some vegetable oil to fry the chicken. I will keep the flame on high to heat up the oil. Once oil is hot, keep it on medium heat. Let's check the oil if it is hot. Yes, it is. Fry the chicken on medium heat. One batch is done. Let me remove them. Let me fry all of them, then we will make the sauce. Chicken fry is ready. Let's make the sauce. Let's heat up the pan. I am adding about 2 tablespoon oil. I am using same oil. Oil is hot. Keep the flame on medium low. Add cumin seeds, chopped garlic, chopped ginger, grated green chili, curry leaves, cumin powder, coriander powder, black pepper powder, red chili powder, now add chili garlic sauce, tomato sauce, now add food color, I'm adding some water, not too much. Now add fried chicken pieces, salt, and mix them together. Now add lime juice. If you like more spicy, you can add more chili garlic sauce, green chili and black pepper powder. Okay, now turn off the gas. Chicken 65 is ready. Garnish with little bit coriander leaves. As I told you, garnishing is optional, and curry leaves. You can put some sliced onion. Try to make it, and if you like my recipe, give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below how it is. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Take care. Bye.